Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio. What are the messages for Scorpio? What are the messages for Scorpio? I think there is a lot of drama and lot of trauma is going in this relationship right now. You are in so much pain, Scorpio, and 10 of swords energy. You are in so much pain, and 5 of wands, lot of drama. You are fed up with this energy literally. So let's see your reading. So recent past, page of swords, the world, and 5 of pentacles. So there is separation, there is cold shouldering. Your person maybe treated you in past as an option, so you feeling very bad for that, and some cycles are ending between you and your person. For some already ended between you. There is a lot of spying. Your person is wondering about you, spying on you on social media, so they not treated you well. The same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again in past. So let's see the present. 4 of cups, 3 of pentacles, and queen of pentacles. So there is missed opportunity with your person. There is separation for some no contact situations, Scorpio, because there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you. That's why this is happening. 4 of cups energy. Only you are the person always taking care of this relationship, and it is become a hard work for you, because when there is no equal give and take, it will become very difficult to manage relationship, because relationship is daily work. You have to consistently work towards our relationships, otherwise it will become hard work for one person is always taking. They will not putting any energy, but another person will drain literally. So now you started focusing on your on your abundance, career and finances, and you are investing your money in different businesses, and you are collaborating your businesses with the others. Then future 10 of wands, the moon, and the strength. Yeah, you are becoming like overburdened. You are overburdened due to this relationship or family or work pressure, whatever the situation may be. You are feeling overburdened. And the moon, there are some, maybe your person hiding something from you. There are something mysterious in this connection, illusions, disturbances between both of you. So you want to leave this energy, and you want to free from this energy, and you want to stand by your power. This is your, so you have, this is your energy. In near future you will be in this energy. You overcome all these negative energies, and you will be like this. This is very good energy, very powerful energy. You will be stand by your power, and you are no more dependent on anyone. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But lot of earth energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. High Priestess under the deck. Maybe they are listening to their higher self. They are listening to their intuition. So let's see their feelings towards you. Scorpio, your person feelings. Two times, Leo. 5 of pentacles under the deck. Yeah, they're feeling sad, they're feeling lonely, because you decided to give up on this connection. But the Queen of Swords, So there is some communication is coming. They want to clear the things with you, and they're taking their, maybe they're getting their strength to come back. And Wheel of Fortune, again divine timing. Maybe they're waiting for the right time. So let's see their actions, then we will get more clarity what they are going to do. So their actions towards you, 2 cards. Scorpio. Okay, Magician. Ace of Cups. And 10 of Wands. Queen of Cups, the World. So they want to manifest you back in their life. There is love and they want to express their love to you, and their love towards you is overflowing, but it is become hard work for them. I think your person is a type of player type of energy I am getting. They love you. They will come when they want. They will go when they want. The type of energy I am getting. There is love, there is passion, but there is no commitment what I am getting here. So that's why you want to give up on this energy. But again, they want, because they are missing your attention, again they want to manifest you back. There is love, but there is no commitment. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, right now they are not talking to you. Maybe your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, doing meditation to heal their self. But there is communication with clarity is coming. Ace of Swords energy. And it's you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded. See, the Queen of Wands and Emperor, you will be in this energy and you are no more dependent on anyone. You are okay with or without this person, and they are rushing to communicate with you because there is communication is coming. Yeah, they're missing your attention because you want to give up on this energy. So now they are coming back. I think you both are missing each other. There is a lot of negative thinking, overthinking is going in both of you especially. Yeah, because a lot of drama is going in your relationship right now, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. You both are feeling very overburdened, very, I think lot of negative energy because the mutual card is 9 of Swords energy. Yeah, there is love. The Lovers card is here. You are juggling. You have to make some decision, but you are juggling. You are guarded up right now, Scorpio. And you want this happiness, but it is not happening for some. That's why you are guarded up. You are juggling. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Lot of cards. Knight of Wands, yeah, there is a lot of passion. Princess of Wands, they want to communicate with you. There is age difference for some. And King of Wands, King of Swords and 8 of Cups. Maybe they walked away from this connection. Now they're feeling regret. King of Swords. So there is communication with clarity is coming. Because Queen of Swords and King of Swords is here. There is love. Definitely there is love, but there is no commitment. They don't want to give commitment. What I'm seeing here. But without commitment, without stable relationship, there is no point to continue. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But you both are missing each other a lot. But you will overcome this energy. You stand by your power, Scorpio. Because this is temporary energy you are going through right now. I'm crazy about you. Options. One person maybe have options in this connection. Soulmates, friendship. For some you are good friends. For some your person only put you in friendship mode, but there is love. They don't want to take this relationship to next level. There is love, already told you, and I'm feeling sad without you. I need some space now for some. So the messages are they're feeling sad without you, they're crazy about you for some options, soulmates and friendship. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Scorpio. Communication is key. Yes, there is communication with clarity is coming and you are good enough. New moon in Gemini, communication is key, and full moon in Virgo, you are good enough. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, so this is the message for you. You are good enough. Okay, and communication is key because communication with clarity is coming. So this is the message. Communication is the key. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.